Want to automate your social media content creation? Let AI do the heavy lifting. In this video, we'll show you how to use AI tools to create compelling social media posts for businesses in minutes. In today's digital age, social media is not just an option, it's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It's the modern-day town square, the place where conversations happen, trends are born, and brands are built. Ignoring social media is like ignoring a massive opportunity to connect with your target audience, build relationships, and drive growth. Think of it as your digital storefront, open 24/7, accessible to billions of potential customers worldwide. It helps you connect with customers on a personal level, building a loyal community around your brand. Through engaging content and direct interaction, you can foster trust and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Social media also allows you to build your brand identity, showcasing your values, personality, and unique selling points. Ultimately, this increased visibility and engagement translates into increased sales and revenue. By strategically leveraging social media, you can turn followers into customers and advocates for your brand. But creating high-quality, engaging content consistently across multiple platforms can be incredibly time-consuming and resource-intensive. Brainstorming ideas, writing compelling copy, designing eye-catching visuals, and scheduling posts can quickly become overwhelming, especially for small businesses with limited staff. Juggling all these tasks while also focusing on other critical aspects of your business can lead to burnout and inconsistent social media presence. This is where the power of artificial intelligence can save the day. AI-powered tools can automate many of the time-consuming tasks associated with social media management, freeing up your time and resources to focus on other important aspects of your business. AI can transform your social media strategy completely, taking it from a daunting chore to a streamlined, efficient, and highly effective marketing engine. By leveraging AI, you can unlock new levels of creativity, personalization, and data-driven decision-making, ultimately driving significant growth and success for your business in the ever-evolving world of social media. Embrace the future and let AI be your secret weapon in the social media landscape. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, standing out from the crowd requires not only creativity but also efficiency. That's where the power of artificial intelligence comes into play. There are several AI tools available, each designed to streamline your content creation process and amplify your social media presence. From crafting compelling captions to generating eye-catching visuals, these tools offer a range of features to help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Before diving in, it's essential to understand the diverse options available and how they can cater to your specific needs. We'll explore some of the leading platforms and highlight their unique strengths, empowering you to make an informed decision. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai have emerged as frontrunners in the AI-powered content creation space. ChatGPT, with its conversational AI capabilities, allows you to brainstorm ideas, refine your messaging, and even generate entire social media posts with a human-like touch. Jasper, known for its robust feature set and advanced algorithms, excels at creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. And Copy.ai offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of templates, making it easy to generate engaging copy for various social media platforms. Each platform offers a unique approach to content creation, so it's essential to explore their features and find the one that aligns with your workflow and creative vision. These AI-powered platforms can help you generate engaging content quickly, without compromising on quality. Imagine being able to create captivating captions, write compelling ad copy, and even generate entire blog posts in a fraction of the time it would take manually. With AI, you can unlock new levels of productivity and focus on other critical aspects of your social media strategy. These tools analyze vast amounts of data, identify trending topics, and understand audience preferences, enabling you to create content that resonates with your target demographic. By leveraging the power of AI, you can elevate your social media game and achieve remarkable results. With so many options available, it's crucial to choose a tool that fits your business goals and aligns with your overall marketing strategy. Consider factors such as the type of content you need to create, the platforms you'll be using, and the level of customization you require. Some tools are better suited for generating short-form content like social media posts, while others excel at creating long-form content like blog posts and articles. Evaluate the features and capabilities of each platform to determine which one best meets your specific needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and take advantage of free trials to find the perfect fit for your business. Before making a final decision, carefully consider your budget, content needs, and integration requirements. AI-powered content creation tools come in a range of pricing plans, so it's essential to find one that fits your budget. Evaluate the features offered in each plan and determine which one provides the best value for your money. Additionally, consider the types of content you'll be creating and ensure that the tool you choose supports those formats. Finally, assess the integration capabilities of the platform and ensure that it seamlessly integrates with your existing marketing tools and workflows. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose an AI tool that empowers you to achieve your social media goals. Once you've selected your AI tool, you need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your target audience, product details, and key messages. This will help the AI tailor your posts to your specific needs. Once AI generates the content, you can easily customize it. Add your brand's voice, adjust the tone, and tweak the content to make it more personalized and engaging for your audience. After customizing your posts, it's time to schedule them. AI tools often have integrations with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, allowing you to schedule posts for consistent content delivery. Let's take a moment to recap the incredible potential that AI offers for transforming your social media strategy. We've explored how these intelligent tools can revolutionize the way businesses approach content creation, audience engagement, and overall social media management. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, companies can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, creativity, and data-driven decision-making. Think about the possibilities. Personalized content that resonates deeply with your target audience, automated scheduling that frees up valuable time, and real-time analytics that provide actionable insights. The results speak for themselves. We're seeing significant improvements in engagement metrics, follower growth, and overall positive social media performance across various industries. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a present-day solution that's delivering tangible results for businesses of all sizes. By using AI tools, businesses can create, customize, and schedule social media posts efficiently, saving time and increasing engagement. Imagine the hours saved by automating repetitive tasks like content scheduling and hashtag research. This newfound time can be reinvested in strategic planning, creative brainstorming, and building deeper relationships with your audience. Moreover, AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify optimal posting times, ensuring that your content reaches the right people at the right moment. This level of precision leads to higher engagement rates, increased brand visibility, and ultimately, a stronger social media presence. It's about working smarter, not harder, and AI empowers you to do just that. Whether you're a small business or a large brand, AI can help streamline your content creation process. For small businesses with limited resources, AI can be a game changer, leveling the playing field and enabling them to compete with larger corporations. AI-powered tools can assist with everything from generating compelling captions to designing eye-catching visuals, ensuring that even the smallest businesses can create professional quality content. Large brands, on the other hand, can leverage AI to manage complex social media campaigns across multiple platforms, personalize customer experiences at scale, and gain a deeper understanding of their target audience. No matter your size or industry, AI offers a suite of tools and capabilities that can be tailored to your specific needs and goals. Start automating your social media today and watch your engagement soar. Don't let your social media strategy fall behind the curve. Embrace the power of AI and unlock its potential to transform your online presence. The future of social media is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Take the first step towards a more efficient, engaging, and successful social media strategy. Explore the various AI tools available, experiment with different approaches, and discover the unique benefits that AI can bring to your business. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are well worth the effort. So, what are you waiting for? Start automating your social media today and watch your engagement soar to new heights.